Hi skaters, today I'm going to do a little dance routine that I came up with. It's fun to do in the rink or when you're waiting your turn at the skate park or whatever. These aren't hard. They're a little hard, but they're not super hard. So hopefully you guys can learn them, because this little routine anyway, because it's really fun. I'll do it in normal speed first, and then I'll break down the steps, so hopefully you guys can link this thing together. All right, ready? And that's pretty much it, and then you can do it the other way. So to do this, the first step, the first part of this little routine is you're standing facing forward, knees bent, toes pointing straight ahead, and in my case I'm jumping out to the right, so I'm taking off of my left and jumping outside, like just taking a jump outside and then landing on my right foot. So just do that first. I'm going to take off and step back, step down on that right foot, step out and step out to the right, out, and then step down with the right, and then the next part is you're going to step behind yourself once you land from that. Step out and you step behind yourself and really sink into that move. It looks kind of cool, I think. So again, to the right, you're going to step out to the right and then step behind yourself. Okay, so that's the first part. The next part is you're going to step out to the left and do the same thing the other way to the other side. Okay, so step out, boom. And then, all right, so let's do that again. Back to this position, and then you're going to step back out to the left and then behind yourself. And this sets you up to do the next part, which is a 360. So you just start, get your arms kind of going, start the spin with your upper body. You're already coiled underneath yourself, and you just basically unwind.
To the right.
To the right. And stop yourself. Now you're back in this position with your toes out just slightly. And the next thing you're going to do is the first part of the 5-star, which is you basically just shoot your feet out on your heel wheels, out like in a V like this. And this is a balance move, so in order to do this, I recommend putting your arms out in front of you and lean forward with your upper body hinging at the hips. Okay? Get your knees bent, stay low, and then out like that. Right? This is going to take some practice to get this part of the routine, so don't get discouraged. This takes a lot of balance, and so when you're comfortable in doing this. So keep your arms out in front, head over, hinging at the hips, and balance. Okay? And then the next part is a little hop, skip, step thing, or whatever you want to call it. To do this, I'm standing with my weight on my left skate, and I'm going to pick up my right, and then I'm just going to pick up the heel only and pivot my foot, lift up and pivot my left heel to the inside, like that, and then land back down with your right foot. And then you're going to do the same thing the other way. Pick this foot up, skip, and then down. It's hard to do it slow, but you just do this 4 times. In this case, this is not a game of rules. There, just go back and forth. It's kind of a cool little move. So that's that little sequence I just came up with. I hope you guys found it fun. These are fun to do anywhere you go.
Can we see it again?
You want to see it again?
Yeah, please.
Right. Try it again. Normal speed. Ready? There you go.
So what music do you recommend for this?
Anything that's good for a beat, it's like a good consistent beat that you can practice with. It's hard to do these little routines for you guys at the rink because it's so loud.
Yeah.
But here, it's just, you can hear my explanation of it, and once you put it to the beat of a music or a song you like, it really comes out feeling really smooth and flowing. So anyway, that's my little routine. Hopefully you guys found that fun. If you did, hit the like button. We'd love to hear your comments, suggestions, all that good stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.